How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in stock market. And you guys know what I'm going to talk about. I got to talk about the meme stock rally because that's what everyone wants to hear, right? It's where everyone wants to talk about, and a lot of liquidity, unfortunately, is moving away from other stocks because people are like, I'm going to sell this so I can hurry up and get some fast money. Well, here's what we're looking at, and everyone makes their own choices. But you do want to make kind of a right choice here instead of just like going based on a Warren Kitty. I think it was like a live stream, right? He was going to do. So it's definitely going to push the thing up more because obviously if Warren Kitty's doing a live stream, then a lot of people are going to be like, oh, he's buying big, and it just brings up attention to the media and everyone's back in it again. We've seen it so many times. I really don't see these rallies lasting long. Is this one different? Is what you can say. But let me show you guys where we're at here. So we have an ATR for this upper band is the red. And do keep in mind, we definitely could get well over the ATR4. We've seen it happen on this big candle with a 206 million volume. We had 180 million volume. So it definitely can happen. So we do want to be cautious or aware of that. I wouldn't short GameStop at all. If anything, I would look for to get on that rally here. But yeah, the only way I would look for like the downside is, are we above the ATR4, which is this upper band? Like, because usually when you're above it, then stocks tend to go down. Like the highest I ever seen it is an ATR of 8. If you don't know what ATR, I'm talking about average true range, and I can customize my settings, which where I found the top on GameStop over here, and it went down drastically. And where do we go down? We have to go to the EMA 5, right? So I'm going to talk about GameStop, FFIE, and AMC. If you want to get your settings to look like this in my chart, do take in mind I do have a premium Discord for my members where I alert entries and exits. I have a journal of my exact trades of an over 95% win ratio doing bottom reversals, and I plan to keep on doing that and improvising it. You can click the link down below in the YouTube comments to join. It's only $6 a month. So let's talk about GameStop, AMC, and FFIE, as these are the catalysts for going in big. GameStop is going to be the big runner because that's where Roaring Kitty posted on Reddit his position that he owns millions of dollars, right? As so we say, that we think it's him, right? It's hard to say what's really going on behind the scenes, right? But yes, this is looking very bullish because we broke the high right here. A lot of people probably didn't see this happening when the price was way down in here. People are probably like, hold up. People are probably like, wow, this is not going to do that. But we have a clear breakthrough right here. What I expect to happen is a retest of the prior high acting as support. That is one way to get a nice little entry here. So we had this higher high and then a retest, the price go up here, and then we get the price to go back up. That could definitely happen. That is a common strategy a lot of people use. I like to use things a little different. I firmly believe the EMA 5 is your best choice because as you can see, right in here we had the EMA 5 bounce, and we'll see that a lot. We have the EMA 10, which is I call the trampoline effect. And these are exponential averages. And look what happened for the trampoline effect. We had this massive move all the way up here. So, and then we're respecting the EMA 5. We're staying above it. So what you want to see is if price goes down, we want to make sure we respect the EMA 5 because it's going to hit the EMA 5 really fast. When it's this far away, price tends to like hurry up and hit it and then bounce off of it like we see right on this candle here. What's really nice about this chart is we just hit the EMA 20, which is your reversion to the mean. I use these three bands, EMA 5, 10, and 20. It's very important to understand it because once we hit the EMA 20, that means you reset the time distance. Then we can do another rally. And I've seen stocks, that can take quite some time not hit the EMA 20. And it's just nice that this last rally over here, we reset it. So I'm going to go over, obviously, GameStop's going to be your favorite hype. But there is some stocks like FFIE that is kind of unnoticed that did not pick up the rally as much, and it's up 8% as I'm seeing. So here's what I'm seeing. GameStop is very close to the upper band. It's kind of a little scary because you could get a little shorted here. As you can see, when we get very close to the upper band, we tend to sell off. And we're just kind of saying is is this rally going to be the big explosion? Because we can get to like an ATR 4, 5, 6, and we can go all the way up here. But once you get in this black zone here, it's very dangerous. So we want to be cautious. AMC looks like this. We have a little more room up to the upper band compared to GameStop because it's not the primary, runner happening. And as you can see, we're doing the same pattern. We hit the EMA 10 over here, and we had the trampoline effect. If you want to get in and take a shot at this, EMA 5 and EMA 10 is your trampoline. EMA 5 is called your bounce. EMA 10 is your trampoline. I preferred my favorite trades to be a little under the EMA 20 like this with time distance. I'll show you on GameStop too. I was making a video over here as this was extremely bullish due to the fact that we had 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or actually 6 not hitting the EMA 5. And oftentimes, guys, like, over 90% of the time, if you have like 5 or 6 candles not hitting it, there is rare circumstances that I'm going to talk about later, but you have a swift move to that EMA 10 and 5 and 10. And look what we had just on this candle was a 25% bounce, and then it corrects, and then we respected the uptrend to a T, and we're going up. And look at what this is causing. You see how these are causing volatility of the EMAs to go up? These are, the farther these expand like this, and you see how they're not close like this, the EMAs are like that, that means there's a lot of volatility, and it's very bullish for the time being. So do keep that in mind. We had this very tight squeeze here. So here's AMC. It's starting to, get that squeeze going in here, and didn't quite break the high of this. I can very easily see it actually breaking it. And there's a lot more distance to go up to the upper band compared to the GME. So I like AMC chart a little better. FFIE is the one unnoticed. This is the one you should be paying attention to. Because so we have the GME and AMC hype. FFIE is lagging. And here's what I'm seeing on FFIE. Same pattern as GME. We are below the EMA 20. And on the second candle, we did rush to hit that EMA 5. Because we have to hit the EMA 5. Every price does it in a very short amount of time. If it don't do it in like 5 daily candles, it's very long. And so it's just a nice conservative to say, you know what, I want to make a very nice gain. So what we do is from 41 cents all the way to 70. That's a massive increase in percentage gains. Like that, who would not take that? And oftentimes I tell my followers, we never take price right at the EMA 5. We just never do it. It's just not safe. Because what happens? We hit the EMA 5, down, 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 down. It's your best entries are under it. And this is why I'm really loving this, because we go down 10%, we go down 4%, and we're up just 2% off of this whole, going live meme stock hype. So I'm really liking this. And look at this, guys. Look at how much room we have to the upper band, which is when we hit the upper band, we tend to sell off. Look at the massive room. I'm calling FFIE. I think this is a really good one. And it's sad that it's running after hours. A lot of people are missing it. But right in here was this, if you look at the intraday time frame on a 5-minute candle, let's actually go to a 1 minute, where you can see really nice. I use 1 minute and 5 minute a lot to see really nice entry points, like a clear breakthrough. What will happen is, like right in here, you can very clearly see this. It hit the bottom band. And a lot of the times when this does that on the 1 minute candle, you get a retest type of pattern. So we'll hit the bottom band here and clearly break it. So what you do in this system is, if you know you like FFIE, like the daily candle is matching, we're under the EMA 5 and we're due for a nice run up, you will see this candle retest it to a T. So you go slightly above it, you do like 50 cents and a half, and then you get filled. And guess what? You ride this up to this wave, and it respects it in a very short term. These are very, these aren't like your strong signals like a daily. Like right in here, we respect the upper band. We have to revert to the mean, and so we do that. We hit it all right in here, and price can go where it wants, and it can go really back up, or it can go back down. And look what it does. It slowly makes its way back, and after hours, we are freaking going to the moon. I'm telling you, this is going to be the runner here. GME, nice run. Do I think it can keep going? Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm not going to deny GME because, if Roy and Kitty's going live, showing his position, and over the weekend, this could burn a lot of freaking shorts, right? I think it's very, genius of what he's trying to do, setting it up and causing a lot of shorts to burn. And it's great he has that power there. But FFIE, as far as charts, this for the meme stock rally, this is looking great. So I hope you guys like this analysis. If you guys want to see my system in real time and use this for yourself and know how to properly use it, I have a premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. If you want to access it, go down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is please read how to subscribe, as there's a lot of knowledge in here that will help you and learn about, if you're on an Android, that's, you're definitely going to want to read this, and it's cheaper if you do it on computer. Avoid scammers. There's a lot of people that will use my name and impersonate me, so do know I will never message you first, and the only service I offer is $6 a month. If you head on over to the subscriptions tab where you'll see all these locked channels, just hit premium chat. And when you do, it will ask you, do you want to subscribe? I'm telling you, it's going to be the best decision of your life. And I'm not just saying this because of my Discord. I'm saying this because I've been in so many Discords that are not transparent. They don't have the wins and losses available. They don't have a journal. They don't have entries and exits where, if a stock is not going well, I'm in there with you. I'm in the fire with you. I'm going to motivate you, and I'm going to tell you guys to stick with the system, right? Just like if we win together, we're happy together. So if you do subscribe, do it on a computer. It is slightly cheaper than on your phone, so do keep that in mind. If you do it on your computer, it's only $6 a month. I have RTK swing trades that look like this. You'll get alerted right here on your phone when I enter in a position. I have education videos that you do need to watch. These are going to help you, really learn the strategy, and I'm going to post more over the time, so it does help if you stay in the Discord. And then RTK Journal, this right here is the bread and butter. This is where going to be my bottom reversal plays that I post that I see have very consistent wins. And these aren't going to be like your get rich quick wins. I just want to see how consistent can we get, the 5 to 20% gains, and just constantly do it. And you can always look at my journal for the trades I'm in, so you never have to know what trades am I in. You see my journal, my wins and losses, and my average. Hope you guys liked this analysis on the meme stock stocks. I'm talking about AMC, GME, and FFIE, and the ones that I like the most, obviously, is FFIE. I'll be looking at this 1 minute candle. See if we can get really right back to this bottom band here for a nice little bounce up to a rally and higher highs and higher lows, right? So I hope you guys really liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about it. Comment. I read all your comments, and I appreciate you so much for watching. This is the meme stock rally. I really think, we got some big gains on these guys. I think tomorrow it's going to be really good. If not over the weekend. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Peace out.